How to generate stunning AI images using Goku AI in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. From the homepage of your mobile phone, open your desired web browsing application. For me, it's Google. On the Google search bar, you have to type in Goku AI and it will get you this interface. As you can see in the homepage, the option of AI image generator. Tap on it. In search bar, you have to write down describing the image you want in detail and be specific as possible. For example, a futuristic cyber city with neon light and flying cars at night, and tap on generate. Wait for Goku AI to process and your image will appear. Now you can see your image. If you're happy with it, hit download button to save it. And that's it. Now you know how to use Goku AI for image generation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.